So Bitcoin is sitting at $95,000 as we speak. Things have not changed, to be very honest with you. It is still 95,058 and it is touching different areas again and again. It has touched 94,600 and then went back up again towards 96 and couldn't hold. But since yesterday, the only thing that has started happening is that it has started going down. Now, this doesn't necessarily means that it is losing itself, but we can actually confirm it if we isolate the structure and we just talk about it from the structure's perspective. If we just look at it, Bitcoin in this structure only, this is the cup and handle, this is the cup, this is the handle. And as I have taught you in so many videos, I don't make separate education videos. I try to cover education at right there and then. Those who get to watch the videos, I make 10 videos a day. They get to learn bits and pieces. So in cup and handle, the structure becomes invalidated and it is not called cup and handle anymore if the handle goes below 50% of the size of the cup. So the cup is this big, 50% would be here somewhere, and now let's put it there. Just a second. The 50% would be at 94. So if Bitcoin goes below $94,000, this structure is invalid, and then things are going to become questionable and we will be relying on $90,000 again. So $94,000 is not a bad deal, to be very honest with you. It's just $1,000 down from here. Instead of waiting for $90,000, which is way down, you have now one early indicator that will tell you that whether this thing is going to go down or not. It can still turn bullish from here if it takes this and then it breaks this cup and handle and goes down and then reverses from there, then it will be a double bottom. So it will be still a bullish structure, but the thing is, we will talk about it once it gets to that stage. At this stage, as it is still above $95,000, we are still in a super bullish case scenario because it is holding the first line of support, which is 95. We are not even talking about 90 or 85. We are talking about 95. So Bitcoin is still extremely bullish. Things are not bad at all just by looking at it. Of course, it's becoming a pain in the ass, but the thing is, we really need to find out what is the next step. Early indicators are, of course, telling us that the downward journey has started, because if I draw a downtrend line from there, every time it touches it, it goes down. And if I draw it a line here, it should start living below it, which means Bitcoin should continue with its downward journey to show it to us that, okay, now this upward journey that it broke here and started the downward, it has started. But that's too early to talk about. We are not going to use the trend line here. We'll use the trend line after we lose $90,000. Then we will draw the trend line and we will have really good confirmation that, okay, the downward journey has started with Bitcoin. And of course, it's only $5,000 from 90K. But the thing is that Bitcoin is staying extremely bullish and we can't take our chances with it by making a premature call and ending up in a disaster. So that's pretty much it. On a larger perspective, if you look at it, it's taking its sweet time, but it might just complete a double top. Something that we are missing. But the neckline, of course, is at $90,000 here. One top, second top. It can take its sweet time. What it can do is it can come down slowly from here, or it can shoot up and then come down to do its thing if it wants to go down. But like I said, it's sitting at $95,000. So the bearish perspective that I'm sharing it just for the sake of it. If we talk just from the perspective of support and resistance, Bitcoin is holding its most bullish support, which means that it hasn't turned bearish yet. And we cannot start offering bearish stories until and unless it turns bearish. So we can't make a premature call. We need to have a confirmation that yes, now it has happened. After we have a confirmation, then we can start talking about the downward journey and the overall bleeding in the market. We don't have much time left. We have how many days? 3 days left in the closing of month, and then maybe December might be a red month, but we will see soon. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.